Good morning to my middle school students. Today is Wednesday, so happy hump day. It is March 10th. I have on here, you all check every morning on Dojo, which is our high school lesson. So I'm just going to use that kind of as a guide for you. So we have March 10th, 2021, can be written 3/10/21. Here's our Easter countdown. So we have 24 days left until Easter. This video lesson is for my high school students. If you want to watch it, you can. Your N2Y is different though, so you can watch it, you cannot watch it. I really don't care what you do. But this video right here is for you on N2Y for today. So you will have your vocabulary words to review. I put on here that those at home, if you want to send me pictures, if you have done anything creative with your vocabulary words and definitions, like I said, we went out and we wrote with sidewalk chalk, and we wrote our definitions and images that go along with our vocabulary outside. So maybe you want to do something cool at home, make a little flip book, flashcards. If you want to share it with me, take a picture, share it with me. You will have the story to read. So the sun and sunny weather, and then there's comprehension questions that you will complete with that. So here's your comprehension box. Now math today is subtraction. So you are subtracting all the way up to 100. So I really want you to try like these first two boxes with no calculator. I know, Trent, you're at home. If you pull up a numbers chart here, numbers chart, well, let's just do to 100. So if you just type this in here and look up images and just click on one and use that to help you with your math, okay? So like, let's just start with our second box. So I have 18 minus 15. Mary Beth is handing out notepads to news people at the news station. She has 18 notepads. She hands out 15 notepads. So she had 18. She gives out 15. So how many left does she have in her hands that she did not give to anybody? So let's do that on our hundreds chart. So we start at 18. Now when we subtract, we have to go to the left because our numbers get smaller. So we're at 18 and we're gonna get rid of those 15 notebooks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So our answer here would be 3. Okay, so use that numbers chart for at least up to 20. Okay. I would then use a calculator for when you're subtracting by 100 to get, or when you're subtracting the hundreds place. And then you will have geometry is positive and negative numbers. So I will put you a little video on for positive and negative numbers. So here we have our positive and negative numbers. So on Dojo, I posted 2 different videos on different ways that we can learn positive and negative numbers. Now this is review. So I would just watch these videos and you should kind of remember what that is. And on our number line, then we have positive numbers and we have negative numbers. That's one video and he shows it on the number line. Now, the next video talks about positive, positive and negative numbers. So it's talking about the green is positive, the red is negative, and when we add or subtract them, they cancel each other out. So in one video, you'll see that they're comparing it with different colors, square blocks. So everyone learns different. So I put 2 different little videos on there that may help with positive and negative numbers. So that completes our. There's more to do. Don't forget, if you complete it, turn it in. And then our history timeline, you'll just click on start and it'll go through the different timelines in order of the events. Now your life skills box is here. Your life skills boxes are how to prepare your home before a storm. Oh, so my middle school students on the high school dojo page, I put on here. So theirs is different. They have their life skills box is whether they want to be a meteorologist or not. Okay. So anyway, we did a science experiment about thunderstorms yesterday. So you may want to go back and watch our thunderstorm, and I'll post it up here as well. So this would be, I'm going to put science on here, but it's really your life skills lesson of how to prepare for a thunderstorm. But here is the link to that where we did this science experiment yesterday, talking about how warm air and cold air meet, and that's what creates a thunderstorm. So I go through all the different steps to our experiment, and you'll see there. See, that's our cold air and warm air meeting, and that's what creates our thunderstorm. So I'll put that on there, and you can go back and watch that if you want, for what we did yesterday. Anyway, that's what made me think of it when I seen this, how to prepare your home before a storm happens. So you will complete these things. Maybe you want to talk about with your parents there at home, who to call, and just go through those steps for how to prepare for a storm coming. And then your other life skills box then is volunteer interest form. So this is, I want to help my community by volunteering. I would like to volunteer at. So where would you like to volunteer at? It reads it to you. So you click on what you want to, what you would want to volunteer at. This is just for fun. So we're not actually going to do this right now, but this would be something for fun that it's asking you to do, and that I would like to know your interest as well. So after you fill that out, so say you want to do an animal shelter, you want to go visit the animals and volunteer to walk them for like an hour. So online, you will look for then, like type in Ballard County Animal Shelter. That's where you would put the place that you choose and then the address. Remember our mints. Months and dates get capitalized. I gets capitalized. Names, titles, people's names, places in your street gets addressed or gets capitalized. And then T are titles. And then the S is start of sentences. So make sure we're capitalizing what needs to be capitalized there for our address. And then not on NTY, but Epic, I'm going to put on here also read book on Epic. And that is, I have assigned it to my middle school students. It's March by Julie Murray. So it is assigned to you. It will read it to you, and there's also a quiz for it that you will complete. So make sure you get on Epic, make sure that you are under your name, and then you will read the book about March. Okay. It is a library day, so that's why we're reading Epic as well, because it's Wednesday and it's a library day. So that's what on Epic I have assigned for you to complete. And then tomorrow we'll be working on our St. Patrick's Day slide. I am lucky because I can. I am lucky because I am. I am lucky because I have. So that will be completed tomorrow, kind of for our St. Patrick's Day month, which is the 17th. So it's exactly a week away, next Wednesday. If you have any questions, please let me know. That completes everything for N2Y and Epic today. You will also need to go on Moby Max and complete a science lesson, okay? I'm going to figure out what we need to do for social studies if you're able to get online and complete that with Miss Wiggins for social studies class, like a virtual learner at home, or if there's something different I can assign to you. So Trenton, I will let you know what to do for social studies. We may just skip it today and start fresh next week. But I'll let you know. But do go on Moby Max and complete your science lesson, one lesson, okay, on Moby Max. I'll be watching you guys as you log in. I'll post this video here. And this is for my middle school students. So I hope everybody has a great day. Get out, enjoy the weather. We actually did go outside to eat lunch yesterday. It was beautiful, and it's supposed to be even nicer today. So hopefully you can get your work done and get outside and enjoy the beautiful day. Bye, guys. Have a great day.